Go Car Warranty presents The True Cost of Car Repairs. At Go Car Warranty, we help every day with breakdown problems. Having studied Go Car Warranty data from the last 3 years, thousands of breakdown costs have been combined to determine the average price of parts and the labour cost to fit them. So, next time your car breaks down, you have a guide to the estimated cost to repair it, and perhaps see if you're getting a fair price. 57% of used car owners don't have an extended warranty. 7,000 breakdowns happen in the UK every day. We'll show you the average cost for each part, which is made up of the average labour cost and the average part cost combined. Alternator problems will cost £266.60. Starter motors can cost around £229.20. A turbo repair could put you back £504. A broken flywheel would cost £606. To replace a brake caliper, you'd be looking at around £222. A replacement suspension kit can cost £241.20. For advice and guidance on how you can protect yourself with a Go Car Warranty, simply come to our website at www.gocarwarranty.co.uk or call us on 0800 612 1302. You can also follow us on Twitter at Go Car Warranty and find us on Facebook.